Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are fine. Today I will tell you about the present perfect tense. What is the present perfect tense and how we will use the present perfect tense and what is the usage of present perfect tense. So present perfect tense. The present perfect tense. The definition of present perfect tense is there. Those actions which are completed in past in short time or before in short time those actions which are completed in past before in short time or in short time, just this is right, before in short time. Those actions which are completed in past before in short time. The example is, the helping verb is there. Helping verb is have and has. Have and has is the helping verb of present perfect tense. The present perfect tense, and this is the definition. Those actions which are completed in past before in short time. मतलब वो काम जो पहले खत्म हो चुके हो कुछ ही टाइम पहले, नहीं कि बहुत टाइम पहले, कुछ ही टाइम पहले खत्म हो चुके हो, उसको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस कहते हैं. उसके बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. आफ्टर दैट द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज देयर. व्हाट इज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब? हैव एंड हैज. The helping verb means which help the sentence. The third thing is there, the main thing is there. In all perfect tenses, we always use third form of verb. In all perfect tenses, we always use third form of verb. It is the necessary point. And the positive formula is there. Positive formula is there. What is the positive formula? Subject plus helping verb plus third form for plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus third form for plus object plus full stop. Now the example of this: She has cooked food. Now she is our subject plus helping verb plus third form for plus object plus full stop. So it is the same as like a formula. Subject plus helping verb plus third form for plus object plus full stop. Here subject and helping verb and third form for and object and full stop. So she has cooked food. So this was the positive formula and positive example. Now the second is negative formula. What is the negative formula? Subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form for plus object plus full stop. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form for plus object plus full stop. Now here subject plus helping verb and plus third form verb, between these not will come, that is the negative formula. Between that, when not will come here, that is negative formula. It is like the more than formula is same, just we can put not. Subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form verb plus object plus full stop. Now, how we write the example of this? Example is there. She has not cooked food. She has not cooked food. Now subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form verb plus object plus full stop. So it is our negative example. She has not cooked food. वो खाना नहीं पका चुकी है. वो खाना नहीं पका चुकी है. या वो the same, वो खाना नहीं पका चुकी है. In here, वो खाना पका चुकी है. वो खाना पका चुकी है, and here वो खाना नहीं पका चुकी है. And the third is there, the interrogative formula is there. Interrogative formula. What is the interrogative formula? Helping verb plus subject plus third form verb plus object plus question mark. Helping verb plus subject plus third form verb plus object plus question mark. Without question mark, our sentence is incomplete. Without question mark, our sentence is incomplete. Mean it is not completed. Now the example is there. Example is there. Has she cooked food? Has she cooked food? Has she cooked food? क्या वो खाना पका चुकी है? Has she cooked food? क्या वो खाना पका चुकी है? So this is the interrogative example. Here helping verb will come plus at the first, then subject will come after that, third form verb, then object, then question mark. Here the same. Look at here. Helping verb, subject plus third form verb plus object plus question mark. So this was the present perfect tense. If you will have any question regarding this topic, regarding present perfect tense, so I am ready to answer you. Kindly tell me in comment box every simple question just you will ask from me, and I will answer you. And kindly like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video.